feels about global warming. So, how do you feel about global warming?
I feel like global warming is really bad. Antarctica is losing a lot of ice right now, so therefore there won't be any ice in a couple of years.
Okay, and what do you think our new president should do about global warming? What do you think some steps he should take?
I think our new president should go solar.
That is a good idea. Thank you for talking with me. Okay, I'm here with Miss Parnes, and I'm asking her a couple questions about global warming. So, how do you feel about global warming?
I feel I'm terrified by it. I believe in it because I believe in science, and all the science points to it. I think it's already in process, and we're seeing the effects already. And I worry about my kids and their kids and what kind of world we're going to live in. It's going to be very different and very quickly.
And what do you think the new president is going to do about it?
Well, like on many topics, Donald Trump has been really inconsistent. When he talks about climate change, he has said that it doesn't exist. He has said that it does exist. He has said that it is something invented by China as a hoax, and that it's a scam. His appointment for the Environmental Protection Agency doesn't believe in global warming. So I think for right now at this point, I'm concerned. I'm concerned about any president that doesn't believe in science, but he might be trying to undo a lot of work that people have done in the last 20 years to try to keep it from getting worse than it already is. You can't stop it at this point, but you could maybe slow it down. So I know that there's a lot of endangered species that are getting infected, and now humans are getting affected. So I'm concerned about what Donald Trump will do.
Okay, well, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Taraka.
Is a carbon dioxide molecule, which is in the ozone layer. Say right here is Earth, okay? So what this is gonna do is we're gonna apply a small thing of infrared to it, and it's gonna bounce it towards Earth or bounce it back into space. So here we go. And you can see some of them pass through and some of them will hit and stay with it. See right there, and that shot towards Earth. And another one shot towards Earth, away from Earth. So as you can see, molecules will do different things depending on how they're hit. Now say Earth is around this whole thing, is this one molecule on top of the Earth. So it launches them everywhere. It launches them towards Earth, down to Earth, across the Earth's globe. So then we're gonna pause that, okay? As you can see, it gets some bendy motion here after it gets hit by the infrared. And then right here, we're gonna add a ozone layer, and that's the three components that are in our atmosphere. Now,
I'm here with Aiden Bernard, and I'm going to be asking a couple questions about global warming. Let's get it started off. What are your opinions about global warming?
I think that global warming is a really big deal. It's negatively affecting our planet and our ways of life, and it's mainly our fault in many different ways. We need to start conserving energy, stop polluting.
For number two, what do you think our president should do about global warming?
I think our president should help come up with new ways to save energy and new ways to use energy and get energy, so that we don't keep wasting fossil fuels and things like that.
For number three, what do you think our president is actually going to do?
I think our president, I honestly don't know what our president is going to do, but I think that if we make a statement that he can do that, if we really tell him what he needs to do, what needs to be done.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Cutting down trees is one of the most major causes of global warming. If we don't stop cutting down trees, then our land will no longer be land. There would be no air for us to breathe or no water for us to drink.
Global warming is a serious problem we have to address, but we can't do it without your help.
I think Donald Trump, the new president, should do a lot about this and try to see if we can slow global warming down. It's a big problem and it needs to be stopped.